Hello mga langga, good day, good afternoon, mayong buntag, have good day everybody. Ako'y chicken breast dito, so gipasok na nako sa food processor. Then gisunod na po nako ang bell pepper and the carrots. Everything is on the food processor na para hidili na hago sa oras ng pag-cutting. And then, isunod na po nato ang atong garlic, onion, and siling labuyo. But siling labuyo should be optional only, no? Kaya kasi ang uban di man pa-on off, hanghang. So, everything is on the bowl now. I put all this spice together with the flour and the egg, the black pepper, the seasoning, and the magic sarap, no? Para ma-magic-magic na nato ang atong panglasa. And then, ang okra, na seedless na nako langga na tanggalan na og seeds and then na-drain na pod and then pat it dried para pagbutang nimo sa imong chicken filling, dili siya magtubig-tubig. So this is it. And then you wrap it into the wrapper. Kaning wrapper mapalitan nimo sa mga Asian market if you are here in US but in Philippines, anywhere in grocery store, you can buy that. So ganyan na ang kalabasan langga oh. So, maganda na siya tingnan, no? And then, we will start fry na, oh. So, yummy and healthy, crispy okra today, mga langga. It's very simple and easy way to make, you know? Kaya, ganyan lang, oh. Very simple and yummy. So, this is it for today, mga langga. Thank you guys for watching. Hope everybody have a good day today. Bye-bye.